the main factors of stress. Friends, in 21st century, stress is the one of the major cause of the obesity and overweight and the heart diseases. And you will be surprised to know that people are bending towards more on the stress, especially after the COVID-19 situation, especially after the lockdown. Today, I will give you the three factors which are which can be found in any of the person who is overweight, who is obese, and who has stress. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to lose their fat. Friends, usually as a part of my program, stress is also one of the major key component where I need to take care of my clients. Usually, whenever I see a people, they are not only overweight but they are overstressed also. There are three types of major stress which are easily can be seen. And when I used to work in a corporate sector, I was also uh, getting covered by, or I was also impacted by some these three factors. But there is a tool to cope up with any kind of stress in our life, and I'm going to discuss with you that very tool very shortly. But the three factors are the number one factor. The number one factor is the depression. Friends, depression, especially after the COVID-19, especially after the lockdown, many of the people has lost their job. Many of the industries got impacted, especially the tourism industry. Many of the hotels and restaurants are also impacted. That's why in a new phase they all have to come up. That's why many of the people got depressed, especially after the lockdown, especially because of the financial crisis. But it is not the first time when we have faced the crisis. When we got independent in year 1947, since then till now we are developing, and crises do comes, and whenever they come, they also go. That's why we need to wait. If we are going to depress, if we're going to change our behavior, if we're going to think negative, then it's not going to affect us positively, it's not going to give us any positive vibes in our life. That's why don't get depressed, do your workouts and get your depression out of from your life. Because after doing your workout, there is a chemical in our mind comes which is known as dopamine, and as a part of a dopamine effect, you will feel positive. The second factor of stress, the second factor is the aggression. After the lockdown or within the lockdown, many of the people has to live in a single roof. Not only they have to take care of the relationship, but now they have to do their work from home also. That's why many of the relationship has faced the issue of aggression. Many of the people who are not able to build their relationship with other peoples usually face the problem of aggressive nature. They have aggressive nature, they don't tolerate, they get angry very soon. That's why they get stressed very soon, and that's why they get the health issue very soon. Try to take a deep breath, try to count from 10 to 1 before you become aggressive. And still, if you want to become aggressive, then be aggressive, but in a positive manner. Whenever any crisis comes, whenever a negative situation comes, be aggressive on that very time to cope up with negative situation with your positive vibes. Use your aggression in a different way. The third point is the addiction. Addiction is a kind of a word where people are addicted towards cigarette, where people are addicted towards tobacco, where people are addicted towards drugs, where people are addicted towards alcohol, where people are addicted towards tea. Whatever kind of addiction you have, it gives you only stress. I was the person who had the addiction of smoking. Once I left my smoking, I became addictive of binge dieting, binge food, that I keep on having food again and again, and I became addictive of tea. It took me many times, and no one has ever told me that what are the right steps I should take to cope up with this situation. And no one has ever told me that these are the wrong steps. Binge eating and tea is not good for your health if you keep on taking them. That's why if you are addicted, try to solve this problem. This lockdown, this crisis it has a two faces. The one face is negative, the another face is positive. Just see the positive side. It is giving you time to find out who you are, what are the bad habits you have, and how you can make a big change in your life. See something like this. I want to give you a attitude towards the life today. I would like to tell you about a story. Imagine for a moment that you are driving into your car or into your motorbike, and you are getting late to your office. Already your mood is upset, but suddenly what you see, a car just overtake you with a speed of 80, and you you came up with a thought that that person is bullshit and that person is risking his life, not only his life but my life also. But now change your attitude. Just imagine what I tell you, that the person who has just overtaken your vehicle just got a phone from a stranger that his child has met up with an accident, and that's why he is in hurry. I'm sure definitely now your attitude towards that person will be changed. This is the way of life. The life has all the the life has all the things in a common way. But the attitude towards those things gives us aggression, gives us depression, gives us addiction. So that's why you need to take care of these three factors. Once again, I'm repeating these three factors which gives you stress. The first factor is depression. Don't get depressed. Things will be getting over soon. Don't get aggression. Don't be aggressive in your nature. Be aggressive on your negative situation. And the third is addiction. Whatever addiction you have, try to fight it with this. It is the right time to do. Friends, if you wish to start your health journey, then this is the right time. I'm giving you ebook so that you can start your health journey and you will come to know about the health. You will not only come to know about the diet, but also you will come to know about some of the yoga practices which will give you some of the relief from stress. If you want my personal coaching, if you want my personal diet consultation, if you want my personal workout consultation, then feel free to message me. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know you can do it. You just need to know your fitness.